You went to bed early. You clocked a full 8 hours. But the alarm goes off, and you feel like you never even slept. The brain fog is real. Your body's dragging. And coffee? Barely scratches the surface. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're not just getting older. There's a hidden reason your brain and body feel exhausted, even when the clock says you got enough rest. If this happens more than once a week, it's not random. It's not fixed by one more cup of coffee. And no, it's not always about getting more sleep. Let's look at what's really going on. Reason number 1, your cortisol rhythm is off. Cortisol gets a bad rap, but in the morning it's actually your best friend. It's supposed to rise with the sun, triggering your body to wake up and feel alert. But if your rhythm is off from chronic stress, late nights, or burnout, your system doesn't fully activate. You might open your eyes, but your brain stays in low power mode. You walk around foggy, unfocused, and unmotivated, even though you technically slept. Reason number 2, sleep quality versus sleep quantity. Not all sleep is created equal. You might hit 8 hours, but if you're missing deep sleep or REM, your brain doesn't get to reboot. Things like alcohol, late-night scrolling, or undiagnosed sleep apnea can interrupt your cycles even if you don't fully wake up. You're unconscious but not truly resting, so you wake up feeling unfinished. Reason number 3, blood sugar crashes overnight. Low blood sugar in the middle of the night can trigger a mini stress response. Even if you don't remember waking up, your body does, and it disrupts your sleep architecture. That's why you might wake up feeling groggy, moody, or craving sugar. Your body's trying to rebalance. Reason number 4, electrolyte imbalance or dehydration. Dehydration is a silent energy killer, and it's not just about water. Your brain needs electrolytes like sodium, magnesium, and potassium to function properly. Even a slight imbalance can lead to sluggish mornings, headaches, or that heavy, foggy feeling right out of bed. Reason number 5, mental exhaustion versus physical sleep. Here's what most people miss. Even if your body's asleep, your brain might not be. If you go to bed with racing thoughts or decision fatigue, your mind stays active, quietly churning in the background. You're unconscious, but not truly off. That's why some people wake up more tired than they were the night before. So what can you do? You don't need more sleep. You need better signals to your brain and body. Here are a few that actually work. No screens for at least 1 hour before bed. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m. Add magnesium or minerals to your nighttime routine. Get morning sunlight to reset your circadian rhythm. And don't ignore that wired but tired feeling. It's your body asking for help. These aren't gimmicks. They're simple shifts that tell your brain it's safe to sleep and it's time to wake up. Your sleep isn't broken. Your body's just sending signals you haven't learned to hear yet. Want to know which foods quietly sabotage your brain all day? Watch the next video on 5 brain-killing foods. You'll want to see this before breakfast. Subscribe to Wellbeingly if this helped you. Your brain will thank you later.